Hello, this is the latest version of FertiliCalc for smartphones. First of all, if we wanted, we could go to Settings and change the language for operating the program. We have 39 languages available. We will be working in English today. And first things is to select a crop. In this case, we will search for maize, grain maize with a yield of 15,000 kilos per hectare. Then click OK. And then we could add more crops to the crop rotation, or if we are growing maize after maize, we would go and select fertilizers. In this case, we will apply urea before planting and incorporated. We would also apply triple superphosphate, also incorporated before planting, and also potassium sulfate, as well incorporated before planting. In addition to that, we will apply calcium nitrate to complete the requirements of nitrogen of the crop. Then we move to adjust parameters, and first thing we would go in location. The map opens so we can select where is your farm. Once you have done that, you can change the soil type. If you have data for concentration of phosphorus or potassium in the soil, you would include them here, or organic matter. The pH of the soil. You can select the strategy for calculations. If you don't have soil data, you can only select maintenance. In this case, you apply tillage. You would and click here if you don't apply tillage, but let's assume that you do. Percent of nitrogen to be applied before planting now is 30, but we could select another value if we wanted. Let's keep it in 30. We have an irrigated, we are working under irrigated conditions, and here we have a value of 7,000 cubic meters per hectare. Let's keep it as that, with a nitrogen concentration in water of 5. We could edit these values and put another. Note that the nitrogen concentration are grams of nitrogen as nitrate. Then we click on calculate, and the program will return the results for urea, triple superphosphate, and potassium, as well as calcium nitrate. The program calculates the acidification, in this case minus 1,315. If we find a negative value, that means that the soil is not acidifying, but it is basifying. So the pH is increasing. This is an acidification associated to nitrogen fertilization. Here we can also see the average requirements for nitrogen, phosphorus oxide, potassium oxide, and also the rotation balance for the different micronutrients. Then we can click on save. Then we will have a PDF file with the results of the calculations.